is a person walking in the middle of life, bringing smiles to many strangers. Seeing someone suffering, that person's heart cannot sit still. Give a warm hand to share love. Whoever lives with a pure heart will receive gentle happiness in return. Help someone today, tomorrow receive a smile in return. Human love is like a river, flowing forever and never drying up. Whoever sows goodness will reap the sweet fruit of love. One rainy afternoon, that person stopped, helping a baby shivering in the cold. And then when people stumble in the middle of a thorny life, it is the people of the past who are helped, who return with open arms. Whoever lives with a tolerant heart will receive endless joy. Give without expecting anything, but life gives us everything.